Do you have a friend who's a minimalist or a family member or someone who's hard to shop for and you actually want to get a gift that they will love and enjoy? You're spending your time and your hard earned money on someone and you really want to figure out what they will like. I have 3 plus maybe a bonus recommendations on what you can get someone who is a minimalist or get someone who is trying to reduce the stress in their life and you just want to get something that they really, really love. Let's dive in. Okay, the first thing that I recommend is gift cards. Gift cards are king. I know some people think they're not as personal, but I think if you actually get to know what place that person really likes, like I like eating at Chipotle, or I love shopping on Amazon. I love the efficiency. I love being able to order things, right? There's a few different places that I enjoy. And so if someone gets me a gift card to Chipotle and I take my family there and I love going, I feel so happy and grateful. I got so many Chipotle gift cards over the last year and I was able to go have a ton of meals and I didn't have to pay for it. And it was awesome. And I loved it. Not everyone is like that, but that is a great gift, especially for a minimalist, because they're going to go spend their money anyways. Maybe it's a consumable, maybe it's some food like Chipotle, but maybe if you give them an Amazon gift card, they can buy something that they do need or that they want and they can choose. And it's just a little card. So you're not cluttering up their life or their space with extra stuff, but you are helping support them and giving them some money to buy something that they need or want or can enjoy. So it's a great option. I would first ask what gift card that they enjoy or where they would like. You might know a common place like, oh, Elizabeth goes to Chipotle or she's always ordering on Amazon, but maybe there's also something. I know I was trying to get workout gear, and so a sporting goods store or something like that would be a helpful gift card. So you can always ask them, but gift cards to me are such a gift and are awesome, especially if it's a gift card that that person will use. The second thing to consider is a consumable. Okay, so you can get a gift card to a place where they can eat or consume something, or I love smoothies, so maybe getting like a tropical smoothie or a Smoothie King gift card, but you could also make them something or buy them something that is a food item or something that they can consume. Okay, I think a lot of people would enjoy that and appreciate that, and they can eat it and it will go away, right? And so it's not going to clutter up the space. And if they're already using it, right, it's something that they enjoy. I think that's a key thing, is really getting to know what do they enjoy, because a lot of times we can get gifts that are very thoughtful, but that we don't actually enjoy or like, and that can be hard. You can get it and appreciate it because anyone giving you a gift is awesome. I certainly don't want to seem ungrateful here, because if I do get a gift, and even if it's not something that I enjoy, I will appreciate it. And if I can't use it, I will find someone who can, and I love sharing the beauty of the gift. Like if it's something I don't necessarily want to eat, I will share it and still appreciate that generosity, because even someone thinking to get you a gift is awesome. But this video is for people who really want to get specific and really know what would that person, that minimalist, or that person who might be hard to shop for would like. Now, maybe you want to get them something. You're like, I know, I get it. I really don't want to do the gift card. I really want to do an actual gift or an actual item. Okay. Maybe you know this person really well and you can surprise them with a gift, but ask them or ask someone close to them what they want. Is there something that you've been really eyeing? Is there a book that you've been wanting lately? And I'll buy you that book or a couple of those books or a new sweatshirt or something that you've been wanting. Because just because someone's a minimalist or an essentialist or doesn't like a lot of clutter or extra stuff doesn't mean they don't buy or use anything. Okay. And so really just asking someone what they want, or if there's something that they're interested in, it could be awesome. Now I put in the thumbnail an iPad or something. It doesn't mean you have to get something super expensive, but maybe depending on the person, you have a certain budget. Hey, I want to spend $25. I want to spend $50. I want to spend $200. Depends on who you're buying for. And you can get them a really awesome gift, and an awesome gift that will last. So consider that. Something cool that a lot of people are doing lately for kids, especially if you are a minimalist and you have kids, or like kids are getting a ton of toys, right? They will give a gift of money, sometimes a gift card, but also an investment. And so if they have an investment account or a brokerage account, or for a college savings plan, or just a regular account, you can actually give money for that brokerage account, which is awesome. And the kids don't necessarily know, but you can tell them as they get older that this person and that person contributed to your college savings or to your future that's going to compound and grow over time. So that's another great thing that you can do, or that you can consider giving for your friends or family's kids. And lastly, I would consider experiences. So maybe the consumable, or maybe you go, hey, I'd love to go buy a smoothie with you, something like that. Or take them somewhere, go on a trip. I know we've gotten certificates, or someone's like, hey, let's go bowling, or let's go to this amusement park, or let's go to this children's museum together, or something. Go do an experience with someone. I think a lot of families will do that and say, hey, we're not doing many gifts. Let's go ahead and go on a trip or a vacation, or go do an activity for the day. That can be a great gift and an experience. And so you're not cluttering the house, but you are making memories and you are enjoying the time together. Now, I am not against stuff. I actually think going too far into minimalism can be tough. I think it was really helpful and strategic for me during a certain period of time. But now that we have a bigger house and now kids are getting older, I fall more into intentionalism and really being intentional about what we're buying and only buying things we enjoy and being really strategic there. But stuff isn't bad. Stuff is awesome. You just don't want to be controlled by it. And so these are some great gifts. I hope that it's helpful to you. Let me know in the comments below what gifts that you like getting, or what gifts or minimalist gifts that you have ideas for. I'd love to hear your feedback. Feel free to check out this video on how minimalism is making me a millionaire, or this video on how to have a growth mindset. You got this.